Animation is used to create an entire animated movie or cartoon, while visual effects are used to make certain scenes in movies amazing. You must have seen movies where anything is possible. For instance, some movies feature dinosaurs roaming the earth, the world ending, or a boy and lion lost at sea on the same ship. A giant ape ruling our planet, humans fighting aliens to save the earth, and so on. All these can only be seen in cinema, which is possible due to visual effects technology, and the scenes are prepared by visual effects artists. In today's video, I am going to explain what visual effects are, how and where they are used, and how to become a visual effects artist. So first of all, let's find out what visual effects are. Visual effects is abbreviated as VFX. Major video editing software is used on computers to create visual effects. With this software, an imaginary world or scene is created on computers which is completely different from the real world. Nowadays, visual effects are mostly used in films where real shooting photos are combined with VFX. The special effects that are created make a scene appear realistic, but also terrifying and impossible. If you are watching a movie and there is a scene which you think is not possible in reality, then it's likely that the scene was created with the help of VFX. Nowadays, VFX is being used in every movie, and it is very beneficial as it can make any scene attractive, and it also saves both time and money. This is especially true for scenes that are riskier to shoot or more expensive to produce. So VFX can be easily created with the help of VFX software. To create VFX, software like Nuke, Blender, 3D Studio Max, Maya Adobe Creative Collection, and Cinema 4D are used. We'll now look at where VFX is used. It's widely known that when a scene in a movie or video production is too costly or dangerous to shoot, VFX is used to complete that scene. The special effects added with VFX appear absolutely realistic. This saves a lot of expense for the director. These effects can be done during video production or during video editing, which is why VFX is widely used in video editing today. Most scenes in Hollywood movies are created using VFX. In movies like Titanic, Avengers, and Avatar, it was used extensively. Nowadays, our Bollywood industry is not far behind as it has started using VFX too, as seen in movies like Krish, Robot, and Ravan. These films appear so realistic and thrilling mainly due to VFX. With the help of software, we can create scenes inside a video as per our liking or idea. At this point, it's impossible to make action movies without VFX. Now let's see how VFX works. VFX is inserted in movie scenes with the help of various computer software. Actually, VFX is a game of timing and software. If VFX needs to be used in any scene, the shooting is first done by the director and the actor. When the actor performs, a screen is placed behind him as a background. Two types of screens are used while shooting. One is green and the other is blue. With the help of these screens, the background of the video can be easily removed. After the actor has performed the scene, it is edited using VFX software on a computer and different elements are added to it which are added in a natural way. You may have noticed in Bollywood or Hollywood movies, certain scenes are shot against a blue or green background. Afterwards, special effects are added to this background. This process can make a scene appear as if something impossible or dangerous is happening. This is the magic of VFX, which enables us to create imaginary scenes inside a video. In reality, these scenes cannot be created. Any scene can be enhanced with the use of visual effects. Now, let's learn how to become a VFX artist. The VFX field has bright prospects in the future as the use of VFX in films is increasing daily. Anyone who wants to enter this field must take a VFX course. By taking a VFX course from a good institute, you can work as a VFX artist in the film industry. People with a strong knowledge of VFX can earn a good income from it. The demand for VFX specialists is also increasing daily. making it a good career option. To become a VFX artist, you first need to obtain a VFX degree from a good institute. Many colleges offer programs such as basic art, history, drawing, sculpture, animation, in addition to classes like three-dimensional modeling, computer animation, and graphics. To master this field, you need to learn three important things. First, you must be proficient in all types of tools used in VFX software. Second, you must be able to envision a scene in a way that can create a photorealistic effect in a simple video, making it grand and spectacular. Thirdly, it's essential to learn compositing techniques well, which include tasks such as blue screen keying and motion tracking. Many universities offer courses related to animation and visual effects, and also provide a great opportunity to do internships in various TV and film studios. VFX courses include Bachelor of Fine Arts, Bachelor of Science in Animation and Filmmaking, Bachelor in Animation and Visual Effects, Diploma in Animation Engineering, and Diploma in Animation Making. After completing these courses, there are opportunities to work in many fields. You can work in film and television production, advertising agencies, game development, web content creation, educational programming, and software creation. Let's now identify the top VFX colleges in India where you can study VFX. These include the National Institute of Film and Fine Arts in Kolkata, St. Xavier's College in Kolkata, Maya Institute of Advanced Cinematic MMAC, Toons Academy in Thiruvananthapuram, Institute of Creative Art, Zika Bangalore, Picasso Animation College in Chandigarh, Arena Multimedia Mumbai, and National Institute of Design Ahmedabad. After completing a degree from these colleges, you can work as an artist in any film or TV industry, and the salary is quite high. Salary also increases with experience. That is why young people today want to build a career in VFX. It is a golden opportunity for anyone with creativity and a bit of patience. I hope this video has helped you in understanding what VFX is and how you can build your career in this field. I always aim to provide complete information on the topic through our videos, so you do not have to look elsewhere. If you are facing any problems related to this video, you can let me know in the comments below. We will try our best to solve your problems as soon as possible. If you liked our video, please like it and share as much as you can so that it reaches more people. Please subscribe to our channel to be the first to see our videos. So, for now, let's say goodbye until we meet again with another new video. Please remain patient until then.